Down into the depths we go. Well, this is embarrassing, but when we moved in, we didn't know what we would use the basement for. Didn't really think we'd use it for much. Threw all of our empty boxes down here. You can see we've also grown accustomed to storing random objects down here. So my goal today is to clear this off so that I can set up some plants on this shelf over the winter. Shelf? Workbench? Anyway. I'm gonna throw away all these boxes because it got super moldy down here. And before I got the dehumidifier going, that was another mess of an adventure, but here we are. So let's see how it goes. Dad log, Fatherdate 1723. We had the shish kebabs with the marinated steak. How did they taste?
Yummy.
Audie, did you like them?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought they were really good.
Yeah.
We also cleaned up the workbench in the basement and put a grow light over it. Get your hands out of your nose, bro. You too, Audie. Look at that. It's looking great. That's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I even see some red light.
Should we bring some of our starts down right here and dry up?
Stops?
Come on. What else did we do today?
What?
What else did we do? We did COVID tests.
Oh, and got ready for bed.
And got ready for bed. All right. We'll go to bed now.